Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to crochet this beautiful popcorn stitch flower. I am using acrylic yarn and 5mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, we have to make a magic circle. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers and take it over like X. Insert the hook underneath the bottom yarn and pull the top yarn, then twist it and bring it up. To start our first row, make a chain and make 8 single crochets in the magic circle. To make a single crochet, insert the hook in the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull up. We have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. 1 single crochet, insert the hook in the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull up. Yarn over, pull through both loops, 2 single crochets. Like that we have to do 6 more single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then pull the short yarn to tighten the magic circle loop. Make a slip stitch on the top of first single crochet. Insert the hook on the top of first single crochet. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. For row 2, make a chain of 3. 1, 2 and 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Then make 4 double crochets in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch. Grab the yarn and pull up. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Like that we have to do 3 more double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch. Grab the yarn and pull up. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. 2 double crochet. 3 and 4. After that, pull up the yarn and place the yarn on your finger and insert the hook on the third chain and grab the working yarn. Then pull it through the loop on the hook. Then make a chain to close the popcorn stitch. To start another popcorn stitch, we have to make 5 double crochets in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch. Grab the yarn and pull up. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Like that we have to make 4 more double crochets. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then pull the working yarn and place on your finger. Insert the hook on the top of first double crochet and grab the working yarn and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook and make a chain to secure the popcorn stitch. Make 5 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull the working yarn and place it on your finger. Then insert the hook on the top of first double crochet. Then grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. Then make a chain to close the popcorn stitch. And continue to make 5 popcorn stitches in the next following 5 stitches. close this row, we have to make a slip stitch on the chain 3 which we have done at the beginning. Insert the hook on the chain 3. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. For row 3, make a chain of 3 and make 4 double crochets in the chain 1 space. 1 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Pull the working yarn and place it on your finger. Insert the hook on the chain 3. Grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. And make a chain to close the popcorn stitch. We are going to make 2 popcorn stitches in between these 2 spaces. To make first popcorn stitch, insert the hook in the first space and make 5 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull the working yarn and place it on your finger. Insert the hook on top of first double crochet. Grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. And make a chain to secure the popcorn stitch. We have to make another popcorn stitch in this space. So make 5 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull the working yarn and place it on your finger. Insert the hook on the top of first double crochet. Grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. Make a chain to close the popcorn stitch. We are going to work 2 popcorn stitches in between the 2 petals. First we have to make 1 popcorn stitch in this space. So make 5 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull the working yarn and place it on your finger. Insert the hook on the top of first double crochet. Grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. Make a chain to close the popcorn stitch. Then we are going to make another popcorn stitch in this space. So make 5 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull the working yarn and place it on your finger. Insert the hook on the top of first double crochet. Grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. Make a chain to close the popcorn stitch. And continue to make 2 popcorn stitches in between 2 petals all the way across. Before we closing this row, we have to make 1 popcorn stitch in this space. So make 5 double crochets in this space. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and close the popcorn stitch. Close this row, we have to make a slip stitch on the chain 3 which we have done at the beginning. Insert the hook in the chain 3, grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. Then make a chain and cut the yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.